Ingo ye neduwa. Iboy dena izoman. BTS sound. Degina pelo maria. Logi cholo rigi diro yongi tunga. Ngoya. Yauro ye konya kan. Yamalagin. Dena pelo maria. Logi cholo edari diro yongi tunga. Ediangi bakora. Yauro ye konya neta. Yamalagin. Dena pe mine yongo. Logi cholo itogyo miro yongi tunga. Ngoya. Yauro ye konya kan. Yamalagin. Going in a pelo maria. Logi cholo edari diro yonga. Papa na mer. Yauro ye konya neta. Yamalagin. Going in a pelo maria. Logi cholo edari diro yongi tunga. Eke yokon. Yauro ye konya kan. Yamalagin. Alogi yogo yamamulo ikoni ngoya. Ngoya. Kari gogo lugu yamamulo ikoni ngoya. Ngoya. Kari gogo na baga yamamulo ikoni ngoya. Ngoya. Alogi yogo yamamulo ikoni ngoya. Ngoya. Anawala wakaya ye ngoya. Agiyama wakaya ngoya. Gapitinga tugu wakaya ngoya. Ngitunga wakaya ngoya. Agibyalo girigi wabu ngoya torikot. Kidirwara watochenya. Kidirwara ngitasa. Tomata ngatu. Yamana yamala itungana. Yebe yebe. Yamala itungana. Yamana irwara itungana. Yebe yebe. Irwara itungana. Era ngoya karikoni ngola kire. Tomata ngitunga. Kagibaren. Erigite dialo, erigite gitunga. Ndeni ajakon. Ngikwane yege yogo nya bakora. Ngoya. Peitoli ni yenete yedang. Yege yogo. Gina pelo maria. Logi cholo irigite royo ngitunga. Ngoya. Yauro ye konya kan. Yamalagin. Gina pelo maria. Logi cholo edari royo ngitunga. Ediangi bakora. Yauro ye konya neta. Yamalagin. Ina pe mine yongo logi cholong itogyo miro yongi ngoya. Yauro ye konya kan. Yamala going ina pe lo maria logi cholong. Niya bala mona ya. Ingo ye neduwa. Iboy dena izoman. BTS sound. Ina pe lo maria logi cholong rigi diro yongi tunga ngoya. Yauro ye konya kan. Yamala gin ina pe lo maria logi cholong.
Matada dang ngulu kipupete ayong ata parachna ko di ata bangona alakara no wi akiriya makin aloto ma e koy ngulu ka adeon era ka krongo ya John Bosco abilanga tubai eke yokon ngola bakara aloto man karun kan ngulu alunyar a chamta kiteyeni keneda tamar keda unun karun kan aloto ma pukan iya de on abongna ma de on oge kede e ke chamta tala kare ko tera de on ngana on a LC 1 ngana alunyar na ke parish ngana alunyar kangana ke sub county ipoto kreng bokora ki periki ngitai to de tam ku dikari kok emam ationif ki yanga pepe dang na rang na buchanara emam mono nyira aloto ma bokora so oropavi ki konini nera adeon erai beringini ele wonta pukana tamar kara kwarite tewon elunyonok nede elunyok kede karikok ngulu itana an bocha ngule chamta na ropardangetoropave so ibura chamtra tala kare ngini ani aloto ma deon naga itana ona tamar kara mono rewodi kau aloto man karungo mon kanu zulu alonyer kodin karun kanule alonyer nyo apone won kitiya kanai kotera ni gitamin karun kanule ponto o yeni kede atamar e chamta mono na ruchior erugitene logo wodi e chamta tamar kara ko waraka na ichi to an nyama di kuwa kana ala kara yo ne rai apare alo to man karungo mon poto ke gang a chamta kala kare ata toto ata papa nka koni to angulu apoto to nire karur ani rai poto gang ala to ma adeon ka pe ka kuwa kin lo kicholong ka pe ka ruchior da alo to man ki ngulu kitiana alo to ma e ko ketala adeon naga achamta kite yeni kina tamar nkari kok nyedi ngolo LC 1 nyedi la LC 2 nyedi la LC 3 nyedi ngolo LC 5 nyedi ngolo KMP dang nkari kok dang itana loto meketela nyepe dori yang akele ka ken neti ngola LC 1 nya per ya la kan lo ke LC2 nya per lo ke LC3 na ke de nga tamar karolto na kan na ke MP angolo angna doketait yetich LC1 atapit nga krona ke ere LC2 atapit nga ke parish LC3 atapit nga ke sub county LC5 atapit nga ke district yido bo chana ingon tolem te dang kiwa ke de akloto agitia kampala yeren ke de la ka pe kan to angule da ta lo to min alto ma ko pin ngona cheda aloto man karun kan lugu acham tak te yeni ke na tamar eti singolo ke MP era inti kidio ngomon epei era yeren ke de la ke yangna dia kan aloto ma ke tala yo ko ti cha yeren ke de la mere ngul ke aka ke tala mon goton nke de la ngulu ang tala da dan so era epei eti singolo angere era eti singolo ka ara ka we poroto angatonga eda tang poroto ya aloto ma ngetela dadang na yara yang poroto kola angatonga aloto ma bakora a yi to ma parliament ina nga uni era ani yi abala balang borongli ma dik ngara kini reketela amada do yi kotere to boringni balakinio ko dingini tubokini kotere bakora akati ngola nguni ngolo ngana ngomon era ke mane manang dikidongule ya wonta pukan to maloke telekan ani ngoni yiya lo parliament a panita marai edukokinyo el center poron epei edukokinyo achi akai to ma pe tolim so era ka ti ke mane manata mari borengni aya wa pukan al bakena borol dadang al bakena ngada katarin e ma to baginte te ko jokoten mera tamare be buitu ngana ni yang del nga nitier singola ma di kitia so eti singolo ke MP aloto man karungo mon ola bu yang rip ngeding lu mono lugu ayeren ke dela araka we poroto aloto ma parliament to tren kontunga ngana ngawuni ari pikinda tamarani bala balong de lalu ma ngarak ne ngetela e ma to uyi yadang ko tere ka ketela ngana ngomo na ke mane manang tijidong lu tiade kitia we ngona cheda da ngarak ne to ngarak intio ngitama yo be ayo ngatia bere baati be tia gni bere baati adola kiwo so abunta ne ni kwidi bokora aklipa ata markara ke nakana bayda nkarunkan e kwara o nkarunkan lu abangoni ko din karunkan ayaw akawayan ergagni ngo mona tipei so abunta ne ni kwidi ara aklipa nkarunkan lu oro parea ngona ngona bu angetia aloto mankarungo mon ko din kan ngulu alonyar so bura bunta nga klipa ni kwidi ngini araki ke nakede dang apakin arana rikiati ke nagide bodam te changa tamare cha la karave ji katamar erikitene ke yokoni ki yoki taringa mono nyewa amade rewo dikau wanyi tungana ngoni kitia lota mankarungo mon kodin kan ngulu alonyar koterani ikige kini akatamang yo kaur ko ngula yakarua ankaru kan ngule pote to yeya tamakene tawon epitengolo elemune tungana ngini epedori arucho reti chungolo akrongo na ngalup ipito ngola rangolo tingeta ngayo ko lup kidong ko tere manan yo kode ngakrongo na akitiji akoro ngakrongo na kaya kidilika kana pakena ka akwap ngakrongo na kaya kijana ken aloto mapukan ngakrong na angede angulu ya padakin kodi pada ite aloto ama ayoko kwap aloto ama ngakrong na angede angulu ili panari atamunti angatamar aloto ama nkarngomon engar to dolokino kechi ainyo akidroro kechi ka anyo ni kecha tamar karai tolama lo dukulo ani ngone puruni yemi tingola ye Kampala kolo kamera nge kode dadang ya nge kode ni boko masulita nini yeya pin ngana weso ngana ngarakenet sa poni anyi tunga yo ko doli ngami yankan ko mo na ngatumon kan kawni yankan ani kamario ngatunga talala tang tunga ngurore dia amara be kama ngoya ngede ba ya bu kornanam abukira ngonyo ka pe ka Dr. Limilim olotia nusaf ka pe ka honorable faith nakut tapontol to itanyo na ngatunga ulu anaka nangana lo masulita apa nu kidro ro dang alo to me parliament e ko ngolo pe chamta ka do cara ngolo pe ali mu de Dr. Limilim e mama karikon era karikon na mama ngatunga ara karikon ya karikon ara ngatunga so ani biene radio lo atamare achuno KCCA ngatunga dadang achuno masulita bugne te lo kwa ngari ko ngwana pa ata maraya ko kita roboja ni de la loto ma lotang ko kita la tutunga akra dia ngona ala loto mere apena anyu tungi ko tunga apene diro rong ko tunga apena li pangar ko ikirare te woni lope pita ba kare ngo mama kari ko na mama tunga ani ko na ngole kini yongo yede dada iya kadene ara ngaki goro dia goro taw ara ngada ngaki ani ka longo ka pe ka na koneken ngana bo ko ya poto tayama awan niki gini wana ya ko kuna de ye to ani ye to ka do ya kan dada itu to ko ngawat ko be biya ba ka dokta tamar eti ngolo ka pukan nyama taray bering ni baade ki bor brakna tipe abaade nyo ke unere do ke chine igol tere do aje nyo pa la ka ginere ni chakre boyo to da man pa joko no we so ani minete nga yeke talla tanga kralo to mere be abu ko ngo yang tonga ne tonga na bung le pide da kroy tingana arang to ngula chamta ki nyaf alo to me parliament ngana pala mare do aponi ki ana nga krongona angeda ngulu li panar apani e committee ngolo e boko ngola agenda and social development apato poto tanyu tungo tongul aloto ama matany aloto ama logitere aye ko ngole wagen tanini are pripata man nyale pitongolo tinga de ngara ngulu pada te kona aloto ama ngetawnyo aponi ya one report ngolo kian aloto ama parliament to ye parliament ngona made ministry ngolo agenda kitia to yewa parliament ngona maadi KCCA kitia to yewa ngona maadi na paka kitia apan kira to chama kinete atamar karang de lugu tove ngule pereta lo dukul toloto ani ngule amnya pereta lo dukul ai kidongo masulita tanga unere ngdukulo nguni ngule ma to kana to dinto ngade lugu yelo tome primary school girls ai lo doy ye lo ko dio yang ya ko de dada ya kadene ni ani ngole kine tanga to alu nge ko de e bongunete turu na ba belekine be mamuro ko karai berni arai ngiturum kaya wonte tonganan yang ya ko de ni yang ko de ngue gwa kan ta do irikita pi ngana Caritas e gwa kan ta lo kitede atamar karake dia na icha man ada ngul ke lisi wan lu ana pak atamar e uri adre bon ngoto ngul arang du churuta tanga ya ko de ulu yang ari gwa kan na ba ya itu gel narana bo so ngakro ngona etapito ngade ngulara ngule panar ngona itia ingene ngona ayen ke delang le amade ngara ke da pukan ya ke dele ka kroite ngana aponto dolo itar turi mana ngiche aloto ma Nairobi ya kiduror ingarak ni re on ngi khode ngi deng luarai ayo ko kiyarang na manan era tamar kara tolo dukulo emade wonde wuriya de ngtongule chamito akicurtang ya khode yang arta kay tamara ba aloto ngade etoro nakana ka pelbi nga ke jen tamara ngiche adokalo ko lilim so aloto mankan wo monu barabu yang tiak ni ka chamta kitogo goyer aktiviru rong tonga aktiviru wanda danga bakara atamare wuriade ay tinge ko de na toan yang du kulong le pero ta kona aga nge ko da lamar ni du kulong lu ko kona tere woni e chamta mo na ba ngar kar na kchele tar nga woni awon ta na bon chede na kchele ta dang se ma de wona ya de nge ko de lo du akidemo lo du kulong lu so nguboro luo mon ko likan lu ngulu e dilere wango inyedi ngona ba kare ango e atingi ala to man karun kan iyeng bokora nyedi de unete atamar iyok no ngakron go ko dia mam iyang akron na rango na e beikna ko dia mam iyok no na ikwa yo to kana ni achameta tamar e itan na bon kudimo yala to man karun kan iyeng lo peyek de unete achamta ngaro para loto metichulo aki atakin ngajo kidyango na buya ngakoba na koto to malo ketelayok. The street children phenomenon has been there for the last 15 years or more. And we are talking about bomb blasts the last 2 weeks. This bomb blast in Karamoja has been there for 15 years. 15 whole years. Many children have died in the process. Some have been returned and gotten lost in the process of return. And we are talking about that. We are talking about that. We are giving a face to that. Many a time you have come to parliament, you have seen these people out there begging. They are glaring, looking at us. And that is the future of Karamoja. That is the future of Uganda. What we have done is to trivialize this problem, to make it look like a Karamoja issue. In fact, we have worsened by calling it an APAC issue. These children are Ugandan. They are not Karamojong alone. They are not NAPAC children, they are Ugandans. And so that is why I want to appeal to you to look at that. Gaze at them gazing at you, asking for an answer, asking for a future. It is a future of a whole lot of 15-year children who have actually been born in the street. And this is a whole generation, colleagues. It is a whole generation. We have about 3 sub-counties that have been affected in NAPAC. Lopei, Lokopo, and Matany. They are getting emptied into the streets. And just imagine for 20 years or 15, you have actually gotten people getting out. I'm not worried about voters, but I'm worried about them. That is why I want us to be able to look at this particular.
John Bosco.
Right, Honorable Speaker. Thank you so much for allowing me to second this motion. Moya John Bosco is my name. I am representing the people of Pokora in this parliament. The issue of street children has been there for a while, and I'm glad that Honorable Atikin has actually asked for reference. Mary Sundal, in 2007, produced a book, and she has been staying with this community of street children here in Katwe. Nowhere to Go is the title of the book. Karamojong Displacement and Forced Resettlement. United States Department has also been able to do a lot of research on trafficking in persons, and you can also be able to look at that. Gekol, Wesley, and a team of others have also done research on the same. So you can still be able to help our brother Macho if you want to get the statistics and get references.
Who brings these children to Kampala? It is people like me and him. You see that? I want, in the parliament at one time, I said this, and when the vice president had given a statement about the girl child, I said, yes, women here, and as parliamentarians, let us do a body check in our homes, in our palatial homes in Kampala, and you will find girls imprisoned, locked up in those homes from eastern Uganda and the Mwaso Karamoja region.
Because the source of what I'm basically seeing as one of the key causes of the domestic violence is actually the availability of crude waragi, crude and illegal waragi. It is too much. In the study that was done by COW, Local Development and Alcohol Abuse, only in 2 years, there was a rise in domestic violence by 17.1%, just as a result of the availability of crude waragi. And I don't know whether it is as a result of the deliberate lack of enforcement of the Nguli Act. Because you will be surprised, in Apak, just next to the district police station, that is where the dealers of the crude alcohol are. You have the crude alcohol being sold and moved in jerrycans in the morning. So you wonder whether all the roadblocks that we have from Jinja through to Moroto are actually alive to the existence of the crude waragi. I can tell you it is disastrous. And when you see the number of many children coming in the streets, it's because of the inability of children to be able to be surviving in particular homes where their parents are actually drunk all through. And that is coupled with the poverty. So alcohol becomes a cheaper thing to be able to take, because once you take, you are high, and the stomach which is empty is actually filled. So I really think there is need, as much as possible, to look at this enforcement of the Ngulu Act, or even a modification of that act, so that they can actually be able to deal with these individuals that are dealers.
Thank you,
in the Nguli. Thank you.
Don't blink.
Arai akedilek kodia kijana kene talota mapukan madinga mudugui service delivery tamunta ngon alota maweta naga tamar kimini yang alamar to malo kicholo logo eganyang de alota makata chang edukun kodia riamuni yango ngila le doli amilona pe mi atanga to monikan gulu ngarakine tengede na ya tokruor anarai amampa yakare wana alota mana pak education fund unarai ngane Tingite district apon bo changone karlogo ngoni yakare wana meeting lo loranga chora tachamunete atamar angar education fund ngide ngangulu elemio arauni akugwa ken tamalo education fund na ya uria mangata mari pedoria tarak ganga ken ngatonga ya mama education fund abu ngo aloto mankarungo mon lugulu alo nyer engarak ngide alo ankale angulu arangulu ya palag ngide dolinga to mono monankan akatacha ngilinga nguluke edukul age ken alo secondary yang dengulu atachiang alo komboni SS yang chenglo yakade na paksid yang chenglo yakade na dunget SS yang chenglo yakade rupa SS yakade chenglo yakade Moroto high school yabo changi chedang le yakade sorot ni boko Allison kana bodang aponta chamunete kwa etimikang atamar mero da dangulu ke secondary bonoton ke yang chedang le chamta lovi ariamna certificate apone da to chipu na ngien le doli nkan komon ngulu atachio alodukula ngolo ye toma Moroto yemete ramram so erkakid ngule doli nkan kauni idongi to kana ipetuan bon krika tartangkan komon so aloto mak ngaraknet ngana lodi to mang de dukul inyedingena apana bada tu yona tamar ngari kan ichie to ngada kipio ikokwa ga kiniseni awan ke pedorio wani ak ngara keni koko toria mapalif so aloto man karungo mon ikwa ariktene kan abu ngo gelak ngede mapalido une doli amian kan kare wana korio mampa chipi yo akorio ara lopite ngolo ka ak ngara ken itunganan ni chamta ke akok ke lo dukul ara kipio ari amna palif ke ganga kana lopite ngolo apon to riamana ngon ikitiai borni boko yongo assessment atamar yang to ulke consequence nglo de metolo dukul lu cheda se boko animo yero pario tanyo ne pitingo la rangolo ngara kinere nguldan so ara lo to ma akivium ngona abu yang tia kala to man karungo mon ikechin ngona
yepa alakara akilo chonoki eti pukweda kwa matilo chonokio yepa nye dodi wila joks eti pukweda yara nyo ina bana na kwana kamali kula kana oi akalama bana che na anke puka uli aito yekanga katumuni aboko eskotinyo de mabe ni wale kana yo ka kongo iwadio ne dia tu ko ta be ko na kwarna ta tala ka dia bana no we ni do na kwarna ne bi ka pa ka na bana no we
yo na auto ko na aki jaw ne ke yo ko molo abokra mo ko no na mo kini pan kauria
Yakada danga. Mata kaya kalam. Mata kaya kalam. Mata lautung buku ya. Yang akrong na made apukan kitiak. Ngkar nuo mon lugu apone ka pe kangi kawe kena kanglu abokora ko dia ko pindada ngita apukan ata markara to duk ngidukulo. Yene tengi pe ya tamar mame secondary school le ye lo pe. Apani turiamana ya lota mapukan secondary school le duko ganta lo pe yeche duko ganta rir yeche amad moto duko gana lokopo so ibore yeche ngin ka gang akiviom abu yang tia ka lota man karungo mon nyingini ata markara to do lutung kulo ngulu arangulu ki apikin ton ngulu ela marete kada ngona riam ne ya tamani lo kulo lu ko tia ta morta school ata ko mbone ra la kan de la lu ara lu ata chaneni so ibore ipengini abu yang tia lota ma I had the privilege of working with Chambogo University for 9 years and rising through the ranks from the tutorial fellow to an assistant lecturer. And so what the committee actually points is actually right. I think our priorities are wrong. The teaching profession is a bedrock of all professions. Once you don't prioritize, you will get the products you need. And that is what we're actually grappling with. When you struggle to see lecturers going to teach in other universities, it's because there is no priority about giving their allowances. How can you teach in a university in Kampala and you only rely on a salary? And yet you are actually in class from about 6 o'clock to about 10 or 11 in the night. And then we actually say we are actually giving them the best. I think we are giving them a raw deal. A lot of mga akrona nga kipi abuyango egangak ngachumai ni bilblad ngachuma ndo ngato munyare kape a lot of mana pakadada ni bila chuma ngarakne te ngarate ngato ngata mar ngarakna kwarak ne ngapa ipo na itana kwarak silinda kwarak ngarodia so a lot of man karungo mon barabu yang tia ngini abang to ngulu arang lu kipi ak ngarakne te ngana bu ke ngarak ngetong lo doli malipion kan kauni angami kan karana tomon kan ebe ini abadanga mudugui in terms of improving water coverage abuyango a lot of mana pak ngarak lo doli ngekan kauni a lot of ma pemia so arai alopite ngolo ka ganga kana tana corona kipi inye ngolo a lot of manga corona ka ngalew iko pera kare yang poroto apone tanyu ne pitongolo ikiganga kenya one ministry hotel ambulance ne bokora county alawa ngolo alo tawi kana bodang apone iborni pana boko Italian loan tachama kana alo tama nkarluo mon lugo egekini kana mu yakiduk kodia ga kinda ngado akiduk el center ngolo aporon yeba che duketa tina gwa kinyo tama pe tolimdan iya che duketa tina gwa kinyo tama matany hospital kadang apone tai abu ministry ikobako wanachi ambulance ko tere matany hospital so alotama akrongona ka angale
one bongoya John Bosco
St. Kisitos Hospital Matanya has actually been very instrumental. This is a not-for-profit facility funded by the donations from the Comboni missionaries. When they were celebrating their 50 years, there was an appeal that they need to be recapitalized. They asked government to see if they can be able to deal with the 600 million debt that have actually accrued to them. So there is need also for the ministry, together with the office of the president, to be able to recapitalize. Part of the promise they actually made on that day of the Golden Jubilee was that they are going to recapitalize the hospital. Just imagine such a facility providing not-for-profit and actually struggling. We actually need to be able to see how we can actually be able to help them. Thank you so much.
Don't blink.
Tia bala monaya, ingo ye nyadua, iboy dena izoman, BTS sound. Gina pelo maria, bugi cholo rigi tiro yong ituma ngoya. Yauro ye koda kan, yamalagin. Gina pelo maria, bugi cholo edari tiro yong ituma.
Kena ngare aye wonta ngata markare tiak. Aranga krong na akna pakena. Kodi anguri dio. Abad ngamudu gui peace and stability. Kenapa age kinere adeon. Kodi mo dari nganya kena adeon. Yakaru ngalipio ngare ang tamanan kan komon. Adiri awade apuru. So akilamari do alo kicholong ipri awade. Gegder bana chang to lu arangulu. Na ita tamar karatara doa bedo anyeda unia awade emam awade ayai. So aponi do an kwan kari ko ngulu akar mo jonga dada kiriya makinete. Luto mo niara ngan kapei. Tamara apene diro rong yakotonga Angolo district. Kirimo kana ngetela dadang. Ani rika kinya kirimingena apon abo tamara pana kidiro rong lucia da loto mang sub county. Se guana kintan ko godine to ma sub county ngulana pakada dadang. Alota ma pe toli mi gwa kintango na renketo kape ka yunga tukudang. Kape kalomo kori. Alota ma lokopo gwa kinta na taparanga dala ema ekokwa. Igwa kinte na kaningana karama madang. Alope igwa kinta na kaningana alomwedea. Aloto ma matany igwa kinta lo sub county wala matany. So arai iboren kukwedine ngula ma de to bakinere makrona kekidil makrona ka wadea aloto ma ketela. Na ya pol no way irimokin batar na uyedang ara are prepatamar. Iki ya mono ngutong lu arangulu ange baran iki ya na uyeya. Ayaya kalau ngena lo dura na wingena loma akuangan kode na kanngena nakamongin iri amuni yong perkintong baran arang kabko ngiare kape kang ngi diarang dia nganaci tongopo na kuri ari bering arai ini dalare one so arai eche rotong labu awadiaki to purunya nyedi ngolo ayang ichi ko kwede nengulu akin da kape ka peace committees atamar wanyu trobo ripat ni ke chamar kan taw lichelu ara lichelu cham tamanaon ko ki boyi kangi rukutos so aloto ma akijana ken akito gogong yare aitunga nangine yoko ne baran alima ngone tamara period tanawi ani period ne wi kilimongo to yong chan ngulu ara ngulu kawi abuanga aloto mankaru mon lugu Oriam kitong ngulu arang ngulu pedia tenge baren ngulu amade iguana ketoma na ri angna perit kito ngolara lo ngule pedere nge baren paki dolo kini tidang lo pepite bokore araya kala polon paki dolo kini akolong ta chena bona rimunyo doluni so ngetama ya ngoni koriyo ngetama mnya dolo kina abu yang reo atamar ichi boring ni peria ngara kena na loto ma keteten yere itu ani ara kare mo jongait era ko ara kena mo to kan arang na kire teng warde ngatuk ane tamare be aremi tol to gua pak abu ya kero dia ma mo to kan na ki kata kine ring ro li paria munere ani mo naunya mo to kan ro li mo naunu ra unia Kampala tamara ebe nya ka ngo ya mo to kan arang na bag na gua petang ngatuk mame awun tangara kitia ken ani ngonir ka kinda abu yang nya ye kwana ngara ken to wanda dang na ya mo to kana ga ma de wona ngarakin lo pe pite abakare ango ke limu ke do le ripoti ni kanga tipe dolo kini ama to kanga na pe duri ake yang taw larang lu apa ngene tanga baran ini wona rata ngene atu na aremito ana kana ana tirai ini dua rata ngene atu na aremito na ta wok so ke lo mo ripota tipe patana to aku apaken so ama to ngene arang na yo ngakro na ka ekidil ka pe ka akretarita wada iguana kinta ngukwedine ngiche na ngare ngako tukuna kana anakana loka pelibiong joka koneo ara itu ngani bada khorikin to ani nikitia takang ara konenga nyeda bu angestia akiri wari ni anyi ta kinere wana kipingona akiri ya karungolo ngona lo nyar kalo chia dan lo ngon la bun logo so ara ipitengo la bun yang otinga kedil nyedi ngolo ka aropake kona ipitengo la ara ngolo ivianere wana boche ke yakona ngona na purutu dan abo kwa na corona ngona ngipiana nogo ara lo pitengo lo pe akiri roro ngatonga ka baka wana kinyete ani ye ibere ni tia kana rame report ngolo peda oter to dole report logo to dole kain na pak nyedi district ngolo yakade nkiain ngulu alla baraka dia allo pitengo ka kuriar ate angolo pitengo ka kuriar ko kiyar so arai epitengo nyeda ma de wono yene kedi edeleke ango akroit na ka wadia kangna ka kedel
leaders to work together in order to bring everlasting peace in Karamoja.
Kun Lodingir was killed in the house in Logo. Lema was taken for dead. Actually, it was actually taken alive. Lopeyon Moses was beaten for dead. Now we're then talking about this situation of obtaining. At the time, we expect things to be a little better. So there is a lot to be done.
Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker, for the opportunity to debate. I want to agree that the report presented by the committee is spot on and makes good recommendations. And just like Albert has actually indicated, if we picked it up, I think we'll not be able to revert back to a very insecure Karamoja. The report rightly points about the fragility of the borders. If you look at how the 2018 conflict started, it started at the grazing point in Kobebe. I wish we had actually resolved it then. It would not have spiraled to the bordering districts. And so the quick response to incidences is what I would actually urge could be taken by the UPDF or the security agencies. In fact, I want to applaud the new designation of Don Abasa, General, has actually been very good. He's actually been very good working with the leaders, because that's one way through which we could actually be able to stem some of these things. The committee also recommends about the desilting of dams. Most of the conflicts related to cattle rustling are because of the search for water. And severally we have actually engaged the Ministry of Water, but also the Ministry of Agriculture, to see how they can desilt the dams. We in Bokora rely on the people of Kapelibiong. When they don't allow us to be able to go and drink, to take the cows there for drinking, it's actually a disaster. So we really wish the desilting of dams is taken care of. And finally, about the security roads. Usually when there are attacks, the security agencies find difficulty in tracking. And we have also been able to present various reports about the possibility of trying to work on the security roads so that there is quick response when there is an occurrence. I want to thank you.
Despite the Usalama kwa Wote disarmament operation which started in July this year with the additional military hardware and human resource, cattle wrestling is still on in the region. In the last 1 week, over 1,000 heads of cattle were stolen, although some were recovered by joint security forces.
But security suppose the role of the army is to safeguard the territorial integrity. Where you have Turkana coming into the country with guns, whom do you blame? Where you have the Toposa allying with the Dodos to get guns, whom do you blame? I already indicated that security has been caught napping. And as a result of this, they are basically blaming. Because an act of God, Gabriel, when you see people die and you hear death every day, you should actually be able to ask questions. Just like my friend Jonas already alluded to that. The guns are a preserve of the security. And where there is criminality, you go for criminals, but at the same time ensure that the stores of government are actually recovered. Now, where that doesn't happen, you know that there is something wrong.
President Museveni says the issue in Karamoja is a small issue that will be solved. Would you describe it as a small issue?
Yes.
It is a small issue?
It is. It is if well handled, and the president is very right.
Is it a small issue in your view?
It is.
Yeah, it is. It is.
It is a small issue.
I would actually say this. If there is commitment, it can actually be done. It can actually be solved. It is just about commitment. And you asked a question that John responded to, and I also thought I should have actually been able to respond. The Karamojong are pastoralists. And perhaps the hype of this death of geologists is making me think you are right. Perhaps let the Karamojong die, and then we'll actually be able to get their natural resources. Maybe.
Oh, yeah.
We, as of now, are basically preoccupied with pacifying. We could actually engage. We will actually be able to engage if you need the natural resources. But you can't watch people dying because you want to be able to get the natural resources. And that is the conversation we want to be able to say. Our livelihood is pasturing. We are pastoralists. We cannot wish away. You can give us crops to be able to plant, but we have had about 3 or 4 running seasons of failure crop. And so this is why people survive, and they want to be able to search for pasture. They want to be able to search for water. I already indicated to you that from the several meetings we have actually had, there was an attempt and a call for reinforced deployment in areas or pathways of criminals. This was on the 20th of April we had with the president. He basically called for reinforced brigade. He indicated that there should be stopping of movement of livestock at night. Where we have reached is commercialization of this particular conflict.
Business people in Kampala, but also in the region, have been accused as well. And you know, your political leaders.
Thank you for that. I want to thank you for that. Actually, Gabriel, the non-Karamojong are the worst escalating issues of Karamoja. The trade, even before the first disarmament, do you know how many Bantus were benefiting? People have buildings in Kampala out of the blood in Karamoja. We know them. We know them. A very old men who benefited from there. You take one gun, you get 50 heads of cattle at first.
What makes you come to that conclusion? In what way has the handling been different for Karamoja and for neighboring, you know, districts and neighboring tribes, in order for you to come to the conclusion that, you know, it seems to matter when other people are affected and not the Karamojong? Simple.
Look at what has actually happened in the past. This incident of Kapelbiong I've just been talking about, how it has caught the press. This incident that has not been investigated to find out what triggered it.
Yeah.
The fact that you have not gone into the core and there are people silently dying, silently tortured in the process, means there is something that has not actually been investigated.
That those are also being, you know, investigated. Does this give confidence to you as the leaders?
No, and Gabriel, I say no.
It can't.
For how long would you do investigations? We talked about this conflict starting in 2017, up to 2022, and there is nothing changing.
So how long do you want? When the UPDF spokesperson just this week says we're investigating,
and people are dying, so how long has the investigation to go while people are actually dying? I only said only yesterday 3 people were actually hacked to death. Every day, by the statistics we actually got, from 2020 to 2021, 14 raids, and an average of 2 or 3 people dying in each of those raids. And we say we are still investigating, something is fundamentally wrong. Gabriel, honestly, like I indicated, there is a commercial aspect to this conflict. And not until we realize we need to deal with that. We called many times for an audit into the conflict of Karamoja. Perhaps the main people making a killing out of it. And going forward in terms of the call, I'm sure we're moving towards that.
That's what we're moving to, yes.
Yeah, we have, like I said, we have put ourselves very clear to the head of state. Secure, protect, ensure that the livelihoods of people are actually protected. We've called for the protection of kraals. The UPDF should be located around a livelihood. You cannot be able to stay in an urban setting and allow this cattle to be raided by criminals. You follow the following day. It means you're making people, the livelihood is actually lost. So we're basically demanding for the restoration of security. Deployment to make sure that these individuals can actually be got. We are demanding for an audit of the implementation of these directives of the president. From April last year, there was a directive and nothing is happening. And the situation is becoming worse. So we're basically saying who is benefiting, who is allowing this to be able to go on unattended to. We are calling for a removal of illegal guns in pursuit of the criminal elements and ensure that those guns are actually brought back. You don't have to be able to collect the cows and leave the criminals with their arms that they're actually going to use for terrorizing the local communities. That's what we're calling for. We are calling for dealing with the porous borders. Ensure that if the Turkana are coming to Karamoja, they should not be able to come with guns. And it's the security to be able to do that. If the Toposa are coming to Karamoja, they should not be able to come with guns. Let guns remain in their own countries. We don't have as local leaders that opportunity to be able to ensure this happens. But it is about the will of the state to ensure this happens and we are able to deal with the criminal elements within. So really these are the things that we are calling for. And perhaps that's the reason why we're basically saying there should be a change in command. For 3 years, the same persons are the ones who are commanding some of these units. Perhaps they have gotten compromised. Why shouldn't there be a change? Why are we allowing this if the situation is actually deteriorating? The same individuals. So these are calls. This is what we're actually calling. And we would wish that the world joins us in making sure this happens for us to be able to stop this conflict.
All right.
So much, Gabriel. And again, thank you, CTV, for giving me an opportunity to be able to speak to the world about the conflict in Karamoja. On the tension and the unease in Karamoja, I want to appeal to the media houses to be able to look at the conflict and open more room for an engagement that actually seeks to be able to understand rather than take sentimental statements being made to be able to paint the region as bad, as it were, and the leaders as uncooperative. It is an appeal again to the state to be able to commit itself. The security agencies, we applaud you for whatever you have done, but you can do more. And we are willing to be able to accompany you in the process. And to the Ugandans, our neighbors, the Iteso, the Bagishu, the Langi, and the Acholi, fire is in Karamoja. Let us deal with the fire that is in there. And we will definitely, as we have ever cooperated before, support you as well. For now, it is a cry from Karamoja, and we would wish you to be able to join us and support our call for an action on the insecurity in Karamoja. Thank you so much.
Sticky boy producer. Nyakadilo pelo Kampala. Ikwanda da bala kula na beralamba. Ibara kideka wo ya. Oya rekile alokoma. Eladikiri ngara ginda ngatuga. Alamada kwa yitunga kidolo. Ngelogambo ya lata uya bakara. Tungo ya kila wene wa balokwe.
Rabia nje ireta no agamu. Una ba teche ya iteda. Samara unda be ya iteda.
Kideka wo ya. Oya rekile alokoma. Eladikiri ngara ginda ngatuga. Alamada kwa yitunga kidolo. Ngelogambo ya lata uya bakara. Tungo ya kila wene wa balokwe. Tunga lope kira ngakro irora ya lata uyarenge kuam ibara kideka wo ya oya rekile ya lokoma ala dikiri ngara ginda ngatuga ala maga kwa yitunga kidolo ngelogambo ya lata uya babara
nyewa mere kwa lidio la dumo tongo don kama narake de akukwaro na dia so yipi yon ya sikilo tone lo seteda oja uno sikeda muna tunaendana because ya ne ajayo masamailo almost every day nyara jengo longa jibe nyu swama so kanyo unatara sakanika mamenga ya bora kanika yalama
Kilogambu ya lata uya bakara Tungo ya kila wane wabalo kwe Eki yogo nyaka kala pala mendia Bakara puro niki radhi ngakuro Yurora ya nga lata uya bakara Ibakara kite togo ya Uya rekile ya latoma Radhi kiriki ngara ginde ngatuga Alamada kwa gitu ngakidolo Kilogambu ya lata uya bakara Tungo ya kila wane wabalo kwe Eki yogo nyaka
Don't blink.
Kuna ngawuni akeleka koro aloto ma atama keneta kanga na weta ngana ngon abala ngaganyi ngo ngtong lara ngulu itie teng biashara ke yeibering ni arang ni riamona periang akopokin ikechi irarte data mare ani ngoni kingide tanga kemak ada ko ngarakna ko tere bakatangulu kicurtaet abukre nga warak mereng tunga dadang abading to akodi amading bakatalu ada tokorai na yara mona chipun etisingolo wolo ngaraki ni di kudio do bo chani mena bere mun mbong che zilinga kwarak ne rabo e cheke teladang so adata ngalo to ma sabu ngalo sabu county ngadi beruna ma turi ambutunga bakata aloto ma matany ngaber ngatomoni uni aloto ma poron ngaber ngatomoni uni aloto ma peitoli ngaber ne do ngatomoni kan aloto ma lokopo na tomoni uni apat kreatoria mot na iya ibere akala polon mamnya dolo kini ngatonga dada so nyeda le pangoni yang rimit atamare yong ni am ngiria montedang ikwa peru chorre ngari na loto amerika tene iriam ni aloche aiche pitedang abu agang kangidian wara ngulu curuta te buk ngai tedang otama kito gogongo yo ipe itunganan inake aperang na ke gali e pedori atri do ngake egwe kiram lo nyara le putu dang ali pio ngare dang iganga kenya ngideng do ngato ngamiango mona ngato moni uni so icheti ngola bu ngale ka kenya nakrong na ka koro inyedi ngolo iyabo chana iting che group oda ngulu abu ngaranak arainak ni bernya badang mudgu seed capital ata markara ke le ka kenya ta kiyar so alota mangru nkarungo mon lu alu nyar lugo ani ki ge kini do ayi e department ngolo bokola nads bolo korido angi kinyom ayayi yakarungolo 2022 ulo kana gidera dan kinyom abu nga yaun kinyom lugo yaw na pidikan tanyaraw na ngato ngulu ariam ma mere ngato ngadadang alle mun cha cipu ni taw larang ketak ngidi ulu apa to riamoto ngidi yang ulu ketakef bo cha bodo to yarata so arai pitongola bu nga dele kakene akoro loto amanka ruomon inyedi ngolo.
Region is continuing to register deaths related to starvation.
Karamoja has for ages been prone to climate change and insecurity. This has affected food production, leading to famine in the region. This brought the attention of the legislators who proposed the allocation of 20 billion shillings to rescue the situation. However, these funds are reportedly far from reaching the intended communities.
It is not there, and people are dying. I don't know when government will react to Karamoja. The same way it is reacting to Bugishu when the floods started showing up. When we really have that attention and the pain, that is the same for the entire country.
ani ngona gwete ango abu ngole mun boron kanulu balang edele kakini alo piti alogo awe ken ngtang lu aralu ala bakara mboro lu kan lugu epei arai pei boro zini akra na ngalu yene te data mara krona ka na ngalu ataraya ala to ne jina bo ni kunta la rang la ngatuk iyang to lu gra ta ngalu to gel narete sa bu kre nga tama edele kakini akra na ngalu alo piti ali epe agi togogong ngario ngata aloto me district ko de sub county ngone tingto akra na ngalu pe yi bore to ngalu boko area land committees yeng to lu boko yo district land board aloto mankar ngomon apone ape ko long tanyara na area land committees da ka district land board lo district angone polo to akra na ngalu ni de ka kini pe to nganan erang to ada edele ka kinete so aye ko ko le waken talo gitede ko ter ngato lo da ki viro ki jatamar ke ye gurguru ngola ngalu pakera edi tingete ne ara e gela ri to nganan ngalu pudang itoruni ke elisitu kitoruni ke area land committee ki kon so ke yang dinga tangulu arang lu ngalu pe yene ona tamare ye kranga krona ankuron to kona rikiti angara bokora to awi e ye pitaken bokora kede awi na inga kranga ankuron na matara lo akruchokana kape ka umanempi kape ka LC5 tanyo ne pitongola arang lo man manere akolong akrona ko tongona so a yeun tanga tamara tinga krona ngalu ke ai pei atamara klipa pukan tanga ngikuron ani ara ikiror wan wa itinda dang karor tanaka na loto karor tanaka na ka bim ka pe ka kotido ikiror tanaka na moroto anaka na belatu apon kre guak nen ko kwedine ngiari epe ko ko guak ntai mbale wala guak ntai ministry ngolo alliance ayeya a minister ngana boko na bakoba apon ya unai ngitela la dang lu dunyito na pak ke anu na tamar ngakro na ngalup nyama tare district etiaki ani ara ngakro na ngalup e matara e ministry wala ngalup ni datingit apon tamarai ko war apukan ngedel ngulu yang ngare ko rono dadang so tacha magnete ka pei ayaka mbale ani kirka gine ko kwangolo abu ngawu ake chi ko kwa ko bulin wala tachi apiding na aji I said ado baknya tanyara wana ngatonga ibo ignete ke anakna ani kirka gine ko kwangolo ye bon ko kwene ngi chera ngulu abu ngawu ake ye ngono na yakare e gurguru la ye nakana poron nako akmat angona nyali kikio ana araringa ngakrongona anga ngurguru dia ngulu anga tuk aya bo ngakrongona chi ngona bokore igu akine che brigade dang igu akine kan ngana aloto ko terenge ko chenin akrongona poron ani ngoni yakai lomiti ngola ye barasa poron apani ki kewnai mere nkari ko gonta ku akine ko kwangolo ado bakine ra kraitena nai amade tarai ngitwangulu boyeta lo diete nkidonyet ange ko twangulu lo teso erikit elisi dire chapason nyeda maadi ki boykino vimono ani itana e ko kwangala rangolo e chunaki ni ngitunga torchuna kariang dang ko tere tanyo na e pitongolo do bakna ta krait ngo kwadine ngulu mona lore ngulu arangulu ege kinete ngulu erikit elisi dire chapason nyeda rikineta krait so yang ko kwadine ngulu wana kinion ko tere na krona ngalu ngulu achamta ngulu abu yang togogongyo aloto ma nkarlu mono lugu epol no oi nkai totoi atato to kata papa e wana ma de uria de ngai kolu alomo itungana ngini arang ni churuta ngalu ikete dinga ko wani e ma de woni reworto o yene tengi okoruon o yene teng tangulu arang lu itanto ngedengeta odo bake de akroite ngana nyide tunyo kru akroite ngana angalu kadang aloto ma krona ngalu ko pe ba kare anga yeko ko ngale wa kentai mbale apone ya ona reporting olo edo ang to alu arang lu kirikiti na pak tanya na minister tama minister an kiri amun ngedelenga ulu arang lu ngare ten kuruon e poni akidiru ranga tonga ane ara ki yeyo ni kilomiti ngalu pona bokora nyama viyo tama be arai neni yayongo ya kai cheketala e ma dio ki boya na lupungona to yere angalu pangona mera kiteringa ken ngatonga so ngakrona ngalup ona cham da gidleri ko neiti aken woni ke chongona ernga ke darit kai kidiruri e minister atamar kara turia manang de lalu arangulu ngare ten kurwan nait amatara area land committees ka pe ke district land board ito gogongete pitongolo itimiter ngakrona ngalup Apeng na ye kinte anga tamar karaitiak. So ye ya ke ona writing na a lot of me parliament, ye ya ke ona writing na a lot of me district. Na it matara nga tagor. Anga kra nga lup ra irilan committees ke district land board. So abu anga dang ke na ba cha manatamar. E itana robo anyun nitongule yaka tomo irilan committee. Nyarang tonglu arang muchuruz. Amata rang tonglu arang lu ite tengalup ko terenga tonga. Ni konge tenge tonga ni gelar tengalup char. So emad na wontarang tonglu arang lu iki atoma lup na pak. E uriade ni tonglu arang muchuruz ko terenga lup.
Ana arang nyiri. Wana ka go to lo be lo. Ba yiro jolong lo. Ari ngara ka go to lo go boginte wa. Wa ni kiama no. Ari ngara go boginte wa no. Anto kana ke ponto agro ya ngai keno yana waitinda mamma nyari ngabo amono nyito ba mana agro itingana eri ngabo agu aga ta mata mata la ko duro pe ata mare to yana kinte ke pito mono ngole ru de jege jo na rai ari ngai be ni da ro mari age eri be ni ngi mena be ni ngi da na pe na e ko na be na ri ngi eri mena aba ko ri to ngana ni des bi ta mo ngi da ki bere ani ebuni igiria mun na ya jo beriamo to banga to adang beriamo to ya ta da gube e pero ma to ana ala mare bono guru ni je kata mare ayo de ngatonga ari ngaro ba dara kan ta be na ga go to le bo koy to min re jengi wadi e kan re to ga go to lo pero be ba kana bo koy be na ba maro jo ngora ona ja ba ga to ngaro ya na wai e boko be da gwa wa da kiyawuni e da buinyo da gwa rembu amro para ni da yawon tare mona arare makanku ngana pe ko ro ke gawna aremo atamare wori ke gawna arem ala mun tanga to na ko pa ke gawna arema nyo akoro yawon tare ma nyo mona ka go to lo pe ba mo yaro eri ngamana ba tikiti ko kan ta mona ngara chuna eri ngaba ba tikiti ko kan ta akro ni yangu ja mamana ba wa che ni euro dio ba mona eri ngaba nya kan ta go to lo pe ro joro ubi yo kone ala ra yongo to ye ya ra ya ka ta prana lo to ma ama ire mona ku naga iki poko ya re pe dani ja pe mona yo ko
adola kiwo so abunta ne ni kwidi bokora aklipa atamar kara ke nakana bayda nkarunkan e kwara o nkarunkan lu abangoni ko din karunkan ayawo akawayan erkagni ngo mona tipe so abunta ne ni kwidi ara aklipa nkarunkan lu oroparea ngona buangetia aloto mankarungo mon ko din kan ngulu alonyar so bura bunta aklipa ne ni kwidi ngini araki ke nakede dang apakina rana riketi ke nagide bodang te changa tamare cha la cara de jika tamar eri kitene ke yoko ni ki yoki So alakarango eraru wani ngone tia ke ngaloto mankarunkan. Ngiboro lukan lugu ngida chamta ngata markara ropa aloto mankarunkan ule ponto. Iyedeng bokora itamunete ngone amadi kitia kenai. Kotere bokora kangide yok ngulu kiuri wani. Iki tanto anata markara odo bakede ngakrong na limanu kan go ngakrong na ngalup. Ipitong la rangolo tingete ngayo kolup kidong kotere manan. Yo kode ngakrong na akitiji akoro. Ngakrong na kaya kidilika kana pakena kakwap. Ngakrong na kaya kijana ken aloto mapukan. Ngakrong na angede angulu ya padakin. Kodi pada ete aloto ma ayo kakwap. Eringa ngiboro lukan dugu. Eringa itana aloto mankarung kan ngulu ponto. Iki ponit nini kwid. Ikwang kwid de. Iyedeng lope yeke yanyunete. Ona amadi kiti yakin. Kara ade onang oropa aloto mankarung kan. Abunti ane ni kwid kwa itongana nini itan atamar. Kara iki nakin nabaya ang karung kan. Oropa iti yang ulu. Makrong na. Ngulu amam nyeria muntong ngiboro ngulu ejiana kango. Pakai itang kokulu bikul. Pakai kain kiyang munti ya bucket. Pakai tanapit yang ngideng luwa chokor. Pakai kadol kinta loto amawi. Atam ya loto mankarung kan mam nyepedor. Ani era yang ngoleki yang akadol no kaya ikiana won, ikimora won. Ayun yang atamar paki temokin odang. Ipedor loto mankarung kan. Ani era eringai tan tatamar karai ejianak. Iwonin Kristo ngulala giyeni atamar ya bala Bible iborengini nakiyong akan nang nalo taten nyamade akan nalo ke dien tawan ki jangule jana ken tangaloto me dukul mam nyara ka ke dela alimora ta konikro anerai kalimu nga konikro ngakrong na edbuniang warta tamar karo poga ya mam ki jamun dia ngarakne tanini kang kodi pakiri monte dang tanji yo ngatamar ita na wonin kariko ngule pedor ta kitia ngakro kotere nguluche mere kotere kici bono kotor ergang etawelelani anera ipoto edike na kede anga pakina kijana kana te evi emam nyemoro dio to nganan an ka kamuri kitimoy ani ke kijana kinit irayu akror ngarnya kujata mara lakara aku jingana italaka yongo nyide na kini ngbiche da ngare ngide ngona pe mam nyiria mona so nyida bunturane ni ku ata papa ata toto ngide cicik ngide ngulu araen ka duarnak bedin ka polonet aklipa atamar odolo kidinga tonga alo pita ngolo pe ngoni kidiro ritor ya karung kan lu alunyer e diroro kechi aklipa atamar ikicakaya ko ketela kijanga kidudio ngana yeru ro tongana ndang nyama taranga kidudio nyide ma de won eitana akroit ngana rang na kire epedori akyar akroit ngana rang na kali khon kata ma tongana nitiata ngoya nogo nyitiata ngo e matara yong papa yong toto ipega kini anera nyije ngoya ngkale ada ngiye ngrari ada engar to kono yiya na kan ngana lomatan to ye to ngana ni chamta kuo aweke ni bokora anaka na ka peitolim kelimu akroita ina ngana mam yoro era bongo ni data mare mam nyarai akiwo iboringini pana kana tengini chianga kro so aka klipa ni angulu kiweitor yango ayeni ngata mare aloto mangona era ngar bonye kagana krona ke nomination ikra do ang to ngumon kiwei kitanda tamar karai ke dawo tunga bokora yeyi apakan teren sachia ngolo pe ngoni kweitor yeyi malim ojao maxon lokordongor yeyi ilukol Emmanuel ikra do ada dan kude nyabunia matanya tama tade ona yong ane arara nga matanya nai ara nga bokora itu la weki ni ngotonga dadang so kita na yo atamar karato tia kan ngetonga itunere kitena loto man karunkan kita ma yo to liokon itunere kitena loto man karunkan na ara ikridete yo ngakrong na ilimu yongo una mam ngiyoro so ara ka klipane ni kwid atamar moi ani kide woni yokarikok wada takakero itanguna nguna ita na manan nyanu nguna balai tungana no dubak mera atamar berona ati ni arai ikide wonere yong arai ngiborongulu bayong kitiak ngulu ya galaka ka ngulu tiak yango yang akrong na tiya apukan ekwara kare apukan yebi yakatare ni boro da ngulu dubak na tan akrong na loto ma tiya akitala apukan yebi duki ni dukulo apukan yebi duki da katarin apukan yebi dubak ni rukude apukan nyeda tachi ngitong ngulu arang lu tiya to ma apukan nyape doria ngo ya tamar ba dubak ni akrong da ngali yokoni erai etike karikon angaring rotin ngulu ya mal to dubak da ketala so aloto man karungomon kan ngule ponto lugu iborabu yang tiya ngini ara nyu ne pitongola arai ngolo reprepie to na kitiya kana ini tupakana aloto ma akijana kana ngatonga karbo chanai ikwa itungana ni arai ngini ididai irkitene ampan para MP anyo adang na kitiya aloto man karungkan ngona mali ngoropa nyeruori itungana ni ididai nkarunda adang so yang na anyo aloto merkitene la nkarangkan ara kawe poroto ara kau itungana ngini egwe kente ngetunga ngini yeng kedela ake mane manang tideng luka apukan ki yor aloto meketela ka ke wariting borunglu ya made ngara ketela so eringang dongit arai eke yokon ngole itan takiyoki bokora aloto man karungkan to de unayong eke jana ke angi kedela mere ka ngoit iyong ini ya mami ki chamita ayong ni warang dingeta iyong ini ki weke ni tayang to do lok ngetunga ankedela ki dirorong ngetunga ankedela ki lipanare ankedela ani arai nyama de rota karikon kiterengai otereng brother nyama de rota karikon ke otereng dingeta ki do dugar rai pitolara lo geri kitene eitan tangata markara ropang karung kanabo ak jana kenel alo pite angulo ikichama kinotoria dayang mera ayong akatinga kana yade so ayong atodi una ikwa itungana ngini abala kara okoriki yade ala kara ayong no way
kirani moyo nutang bomara anapa kaya aditimo ya ipoto ono chamanari batama debe ojala ke papa ke gipuka anapa kangin tarita aito kona aporo moya demokilo ke yogona bomara ali kale ngel tere ko be boloni amun ona rebol moya John Bosco fo bomara west wala jido ni mo ngetuma
chokori kare ngoya mamga che oi ngoya mamga chokoni ngoya mamga che opa tape me mamga chokoni John Bosco mamga che lokuka kito ya mamga chokoni ngoya mamga che anagito ipono ya mamga chekile John Bosco mamga che origi ngituma kitenunga tohuba kinyekidil Logile gati me mamga chekoni John Bosco mamga che Papa na mere mamga chekoni Ngoya mamga che